Weather always draws me out of the house. I love feeling the sunshine on my face and playing ball with my boys. Without fail, I always notice a chore or two when I'm outside. Sweeping the garage or driveway to clear out dirt, leaves, and debris can be a daunting task. I dread using a heavy and awkward push broom. It seems to make the task that much more difficult. It always takes several swipes to get an area clean, and they don't work well on all surfaces, smooth or rough. The Renegade broom has changed the way I sweep. The Renegade is a German-engineered sweeping tool. It's not your typical outdoor push broom. It's handcrafted in Germany and is the highest quality broom you'll ever own. And it comes with a telescopic handle that adjusts your height. What makes the Renegade so revolutionary is its unique bristle shape. It's designed like a rake, so you're pulling or side sweeping instead of pushing. And you have 6,000 bristles, all working hard to quickly and efficiently sweep up your mess of the moment. With the Renegade, chores are done in half the time. It also works on a variety of surfaces: concrete, bricks, carpet, decking, and even grass, to sweep up snow, wet leaves, dirt, and mess. It makes my chores less of a chore, so I can get back to doing what I love.
The Aqua House Hydrant is a revolutionary new type of outdoor faucet system that makes accessing your water easier than ever before. Forget the hassle of brass spigots. You'll never have to thread on your garden hose or deal with leaks and drips again. With the Aqua connector attached to your hose, simply plug into the house hydrant for instant water access. Water flow starts as soon as you connect. No wasted time. Just water when you need it. When you're done, just unplug and go. The water automatically stops when you disconnect, and the hydrant self-drains to prevent freezing. Aqua's patented twist lock connection system uses water pressure and high-performance O-rings to close the rear valve, creating a leak-proof seal every time. The house hydrant is made from marine-grade stainless steel and is built to last. The hose connector is DuPont Delrin, a heavy-duty polymer resin that's good for thousands of engagements. 2 levels of backflow protection are available, with 5 stem lengths to match your wall depth and 2 colors to match your home's exterior. Say goodbye to frustrating hose bibs and switch to an Aqua house hydrant today. We make products that you actually enjoy using. With Aqua, you'll save time and water.
Rachio lets you take control of your watering. You can easily adjust your sprinklers at any time. Rachio waters just the right amount, and it won't water in the rain. So you can get the great yard you want while saving time and money. And you'll know it works. Rachio is EPA WaterSense certified and tested to the industry's highest standards. Learn more at Rachio.com.
Hey neighbors, what's going on?
Hey, we're just setting up our new Rachio. Lets me control my sprinklers with my phone, like this.
You know, it's probably not a good idea to be watering these days.
Actually, Rachio is saving us a ton of water.
You know what actually saves a ton of water? Skipping showers.
That's my cue.
Rachio is customized to my yard so it only waters when it's needed.
Wow.
Feel like showering regularly again?
No.
Available on Amazon.com.
The Ego 56-volt Power Plus string trimmer was designed to tame even the most aggressive brush. It's equipped with a pro-level 12-inch dual line. The aluminum straight shaft gives you all the reach you need to comfortably work. A bump and feed line quickly extends to clean up edges, cut through weeds, or blaze a path through a field. Effortlessly switch the battery between tools so you never have to stop what you're doing. 56 volts of lithium-ion power and up to 1 hour of runtime on a single charge give this trimmer all of the strength and longevity you need to get your work done. Stop weaving extension cords all over your yard. Work untethered. The Ego 56-volt Power Plus string trimmer, part of the Ego Power Plus system. Power beyond belief.
Introducing the Works Aero Cart, the 8-in-1 tool that makes every load as light as air.
You can carry anything in it, and you can use it for a multitude of things.
Like moving heavy water jugs with ease. And not straining your back moving potted plants.
This actually lightens the load a lot. I can move it around and not have to worry about that.
I can tackle any job that I needed to in my yard or anything like that, because you don't need a man.
Move anything faster and easier.
Yeah, it's great. It is like magic.
The Works Aero Cart. Make any load as light as air.